Hi, everyone. My name is Faith Eason. My business is Pocal Safety Management. I'm a safety enhancement specialist. So I help businesses from micro businesses right up to businesses that might have up to 60 employees. I also help large organizations with one-off projects. So it could be anything from auditing, updating safety management systems, or developing and customizing safety management systems, ergonomics, injury management, training. So different aspects of safety. I'm able to help them with that. I also do blogs. I do blog posts. Okay. So what I want to talk to you about today is what I call the 3 C's. The 3 C's are the most essential part of work health and safety. So what are the 3 C's? The 3 C's are consultation, cooperation, and coordination. So if you want to be successful in managing safety and building a safety culture, these 3 C's are extremely important. Consultation, cooperation, and coordination. So in the work health and safety legislation, they talk about this being the most important part, in that it's important to consult with your workers. If you think of it from this perspective, is that the workers are doing the job. They are knowledgeable on the job they're doing. They know the pros and the cons. And in consulting with them, you also get their buy-in. They feel a part of it. You also get the information you need to make the right decisions, to give them the right support, to give them the right resources. When anything comes up, it's so important that you cooperate as well with them. You work as a team. So whether it's, if you think of these times with COVID, there sometimes were product shortages. Sometimes there were workers that were off because of COVID. Workers that were in isolation. And their communication and cooperation was so important. I mean, I've also learned before about different companies where, in terms of the economy would be hampered in one way or another, and businesses would want to close down. But the businesses, so in other words, when there was any form of, recession, any form of recession, businesses that consulted with their workers would be the ones that survived. They also consulted, they also listened to their workers, they collaborated with them, and they came up with solutions. And they said most times the workers themselves would come up with solutions so that they wouldn't lose, no one would lose their jobs. They would be all employed. They would be willing to maybe work less days, less hours, or whatever. The workers would come up with the strategies to stay alive. So not stay alive, actually, for the business to continue to thrive, or to continue to survive. So in the same way, when it comes to work health and safety, those 3 C's are really important, because when you get worker involvement, they will be able to come up with safety strategies to prevent workplace accidents. They'll be able to come up with best practices that will help your organization, whether working efficiently, improving productivity, and also just building a good safety culture. So those 3 C's are extremely important. And when it comes to the law as well, and when you are mandating different things, it's important first that you go through the 3 C's, the consultation process. Start at the ground level, talking to your workers. And when you do that, you get a better result. So the 3 C's are extremely important, and remember them: consultation, cooperation, and collaboration, all 3. And again, another one is communication. Communication is so important. When you look at all of them, it's all about communication, but the way you communicate. So thank you all. If you have any questions, what I am going to do, when I upload this video, I'm going to put in information, and I'm going to put in a link to my website. If you have any questions around safety, any questions around work health and safety, any questions around workers' compensation, I'm also a trainer, I'm also an auditor. So if you have any questions around safety, as I said, I put the link. If you go onto my website, there's a contact form you can complete, which will ask you to put in some details so I can get in touch with you. And there are options. If you can, my phone number might be there, and you will also be able to ring me. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.